everyone, and welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And this morning for breakfast, I am having shrimp and grits. That's right, shrimp and grits, y'all. And I have these big Argentina shrimp, and they are so good. I'm sauteing them in a pan with some butter. Okay, these are all done. They have lemon pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and regular salt and pepper. Okay, next I have my instant grits, which have, of course, butter, salt, pepper, and I add milk to my grits to make them nice and creamy. Okay guys, we're ready to plate. I put my grits in and I've added some cheddar cheese on top, and next will be the shrimp. Okay guys, so I've warmed up the shrimp just a little bit more so I can throw them right on top. And doesn't that look delicious? Please forgive me for the shaking of the camera, trying to hold the camera and cook at the same time. But I'm telling you, it looks so good. Now you talk about good. This was some kind of good. Shrimp and grits. Oh my gosh. Take a look at that, y'all. Woo! It's creamy. It's cheesy. It is absolutely delicious with that garlic powder, that onion powder. That is on the money. Enjoy, because I surely did. So that's it, y'all. I'm going to sit here and finish this off and take my time and enjoy. Y'all have a blessed day and a purpose-filled life in Jesus' name. And you know that I love you with that agape love. Be blessed.